Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if your dishwasher Samsung DW60R7050FS does not start. So the first item may be the not completely close the door, so check that your door is fully closed, like this. In the next way, check that your power cord is connected, so just check that you can use your control panel. In the next step, it's maybe because of the not supply of the water, so check that you connected in the right way the water supply. And the last, try to unlock your lock panel, so just hold this button for 3 seconds. Now try to start the program again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.